Guys, my name is Lainey and welcome to Cook with Lainey. I am passionate about a few things. One of them is fitness and one of them is food. And if you can combine the two to have a healthy, happy body, what more could you ask for? When I am not in the gym, I am in the kitchen cooking up a storm, creating healthy, macro-friendly recipes that you and all your family can enjoy. So today I am going to be making some at-home Nando's chicken. Gymshark was practically built on Nando's. For as long as I remember, we have been going and socializing, brainstorming at Nando's. So today I'm going to do a simple, easy peasy recipe that you can make at home, and you can batch cook it so you have it for the entire week. So first of all, what you will need is some chicken breasts. You can also use chicken thighs, but as I am watching my fat intake right now, I am choosing to go for the chicken breast. We have some beautiful medium to large chicken breasts. We're going to need a mixing bowl because we're going to put it all in here. We're going to mix it all around and then we're going to throw it in the oven. You're going to need some hot sauce. I love to use the Frank's Red Hot Wing Sauce. I just like the taste of it, but any hot sauce will do. You're also going to need some Worcester sauce or Worcester sauce. Yes, it's hard to pronounce, but it makes it delicious. We've also got some of this SUKRIN fibre syrup. Now, this is not essential, but I feel like it gives it that kind of sticky, sweet kind of taste that I personally love on my chicken. We've got some pepper, we've got some salt, all finely granulated and ready for action. Some garlic granules, some onion granules. These will all add to the flavour, guys, and we're all about the flavour. And then I've got some smoked paprika because we've got to have the smoked paprika on our chicken. It's going to taste amazing. So first of all, we're going to get our chicken and we're going to cut it up. I like to cut it up into thirds. It just makes it easier to cook and it cooks a lot faster. You could also tenderize your chicken with a rolling pin, but this is an easier option. Cut it into thirds. You've got nice little bite-sized pieces and it's all going to taste, what do we say again, delicious. So once we got our chicken, we're just going to throw it all into the bowl. Next we get our red hot sauce, and I like my Nando's medium, so I'm just going to be pretty generous with this. Then we got our Worcester sauce. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons in. Now the ingredients in this recipe are enough for about 3 or 4 chicken breasts. But if you want to make more, you want to make 8, 9, 10, you just double, triple, quadruple your ingredients. And then you got a lot of chicken ready for the week, which you can simply just store in Tupperware in the fridge and microwave, or eat it cold, whatever your preference is. And this kind of makes a yummy sauce. Now we're moving on to the fibre syrup. I go for a generous tablespoon of that. Next we add in our ground black pepper, and then we got our Himalayan pink salt, 2 teaspoons of your onion granules, 2 teaspoons of your garlic granules. So if you choose to oven bake your chicken, which you can do and it holds in a lot more of the moisture, you can also opt to stick it on the barbecue. But today I am choosing just to put it in the oven in a Pyrex dish because it's a bit rainy here in the UK and I don't like to get wet. So we have a Pyrex dish, oven safe, and I have lined it with some tin foil because it minimises the wash up. So I'm just going to simply coat it with some of this Fry Light spray. You can also use olive oil or any other low calorie spray, but today I'm using the Fry Light garlic spray because I like the flavour and it's in my pantry. And then simply put it all in here. I like to get a spatula to get all of the sauce out because this sauce is essential for keeping that chicken moisturized and delicious, and it will form a delicious sauce for on top of your chicken when you eat it. Then just evenly space out your chicken breasts so that they can all cook in an even fashion. And here we have it. We have the chicken all ready to go. I'm going to throw it in a preheated oven. I have it preheating to 250 degrees Celsius. That is super hot, but it makes the chicken cook quickly and retain the moisture. Get your chicken in and you can get all your sides ready while the chicken is cooking. So while the chicken is cooking in the oven, I'm going to prepare some homemade high protein Perinaise. Yes, you are saving on the calories and getting the essential protein in. So simply put, I am going to use some natural 0% Greek yogurt. This comes in at 12 grams of protein per 100 grams. I'm going to use about 200 grams, so that's 24 grams of protein. I'm simply going to add in some of this red hot wing sauce that we put on the chicken and a squeeze full of lemon, and that will simply add to the flavor. And a generous teaspoon of your smoked paprika. And there we have it, our delicious, fake, healthy Perinaise. The chicken has been in the oven for about 10 minutes now, so I'm just going to check it, turn the chicken breasts in the sauce, and then put them back in for another 20 minutes. The chicken has been cooking for just over 35 minutes, so now I'm simply going to turn it off the oven and let it sit for a while and let it absorb all those flavors before we eat it. Here we have it, guys, the chicken fit for a king, or at least for Lex. And then we have our fake high protein Perinaise. We've got some grilled veggies, some cheesy avocado dip, and then we got some mashed potato and some butternut squash fries, all ready for a super healthy Nando's at home chicken dinner. I hope you enjoyed my healthy Nando's recipe. Stay tuned for my next vlog where I will be doing a healthy banana bread recipe. Yes, you heard me, it is healthy, it is low in sugar, it is high in protein, and it is, yes, you heard it here, it is delicious.